Next on my agenda for today is to show you another device. This thing. I just noticed it's got a piece of the horn broken off here, but it's I don't know who the hell makes it. It says patent 18 something. Wait, where's my little scrubby brush here? It's somebody online told me who made it. Patent June something 1885. June 16th, I think. But it, other than the chip here, it's pretty good shape. I don't make the jaws come out. It's just, it seems to function as advertised. It needs to be cleaned. Let's see. It's got a bit of a, it's filled with a bit of gunk. And apparently they make a smaller one. It's got a chip here, whole lot of debris there. This is all full of patina. I wonder if that's blackened or japanned. See, what's this? It's freaking. There's a string on there. Let's take that off. Come on, get off there. There we go. String be gone. Ta-da! String does not want to be gone. Threads look pretty cool. It's bench mountable. Not in this one though. If you look in here, actually wait, hold on. If you look in there, right over here, and if you look right there, you can see there's a like a patent kind of date. There's a chip right there, which I'll probably fix with a welder. Probably just clean up, put on a trophy shelf. It's got a little chip right here too. It doesn't appear to be too abused. No, I'm not taking it apart tonight. I'll just pretend I'm cleaning it. Seems like it's probably been sitting under a bench for all these years. I guess it hasn't been, judging by this piece right here, the fact that it's still straight doesn't mean it's over tight. It says number 4 on it. Let me pause for a second. I'll tell you what that guy wrote on online. So anyway, in this video, I can't tell you who makes this because my phone has no data right now, apparently. I don't know if I paid the bill or not, because every now and then I forget to pay the bill. And this is what I got here. That is my latest in the trophy shelf. I should at least unscrew the whole thing, just for, what's that word? Shits and giggles. Maybe clean the screw off and hit it there. See this? Give you a clue what's inside. 500 years worth of dirt. That's probably what's inside. Mosquito. Oh, wait a minute. Did we disconnect it? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. What's holding this in? Like a little pin. That looks pretty. Ew, gross. I just got yucked. Where's my yucky wipes? Yucky wipes, where are you? Yeah. Yucky wipes. See that? Somebody greased it. Somebody greased the grease. Very good. What's in here? Lots of crud in the... Let me see. Well, I'm not taking this up. That's for sure. Guessing the dirt in the threads usually stops it from going pretty good. I'm just going to take a little bit out right now. See if we can get this to stop moving. Oh yeah, there's lots of dirt in the threads. It's like a big black crumminess in here. If you look in here, there's like, feels like rubber. Look at that. It's like caked on there. Dried grease. Actually, it reminds me I was in the army cleaning the rifles. All the, what was that called? You shoot a rifle and you get stuff caught in it. Not caught in it, but it's, what is the word for it? Yeah. Stuff that burns in the rifle. The smoke. Not the smoke. What am I thinking? When we were shooting the M16s, it was the carbon that it was. It would clog the entire weapon. Then, of course, when they give us blanks, I never used my blanks because I gave them to the kid in the foxhole next to me, and he was like, "Yeah, I'll take them." I'm like, yeah, you can spend all day cleaning that rifle. Not me, I ain't stupid. I know what blanks do. I've fired a gun before. He never fired a gun. We gave him a ton of blanks. Especially since we weren't allowed to fire them off. So he was going nuts, middle of the night. On bivouac, he was just like, "Yeah, I'm gonna fire them off. Yeah." Never forget that. Look at that. There's like crud in there. What the hell's on my foot? Looks like I need a heavier duty wire brush. That might work. A better wire brush might work. Where can I find a better wire brush around here? Where did my wire brush go? Could it be on the welding machine? Where it should be? Yeah. Maybe. Alright, let's see. A little wire brush here. Stiff brush. Oh yeah, huge difference. Look at that. Oh, maybe down here over. Yeah, just break the cake. Yeah, I remember we broke a coat hanger open. Yeah, from the our wall locker. We'd break a little piece off and put it in the gun cleaning kit. And just use the very little end of the coat hanger. Sit there and scratch off the carbon. And then I made the mistake of cleaning my M16 so well, I had to show everyone else and go around inspecting it. Everyone else is like, clean this again, clean this again. And it was funny, these guys had it all nice and polished. And I'm like, all you did is make shiny carbon, clean it some more. Can't blame them. A lot of kids never knew what the hell they were. A lot of kids didn't know what they were doing. When I was in boot camp, I was the oldest one. Except for in the second one, when I was in there, we had a reclass, came out of Fort Drum. And there was another guy who was in our, what do you call it? There was a black guy, and man, he was built like a rock, man. 36 years old, and he could outrun, jump, march, you name it. Every goddamn drill sergeant, everybody in there. I remember standing up in front of the whole entire platoon. The drill sergeant yelling, "Privates, you should be ashamed of yourselves. This 26-year-old just beat every one of you. You're supposed to be in the prime of your life." Give it a shit. Ow, shit, man. Ouch. I got a freaking... Oh. I gotta stop. I got a huge ass wire in my finger. Hold that thought. Okay, folks, where was I? Oh yeah, I was just cleaning his treads. So anyway, yeah, put me in the whole front of the company, and I remember I was on crutches too, because I screwed up both of my knees. And man, that was a fiasco. That's only going through boot camp on crutches. Yeah. Recipe for disaster. I had fun though. Like I said, if I can run 40 miles a day, I'd do it all over again. You'd never. If I had to go back and change one thing, I don't think I would change it. I got 4 kids, and but if My knees when it gave out, and they were fine. I would have went on active duty and just said, "Sayonara, people!" Because I joined the Army Reserves. Imagine that, guy from the reserve joined the reserves. How fun is that? So anyway, ta-da, 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 ta-da. All right, here you go. This thing. I don't know how I got that splinter in me. Weird. Look at that. Shiny like diamonds. Okay, let's put it back together now before we get carried away. Somebody just put a little nub of grease right there. Like, grease the whole thing. Dingle splats, man. Okay, now. Let's go like this. Shit, look at that. Doesn't go perfectly, but probably because it's basically in the middle. It's a lot better on one of the strokes. I think something's like out of whack here. You know what this? Yeah, you can't see that. Chop my finger off there. So anyway, this is the end of the Vise video. What I'm gonna do is I'll I'll take it apart, I'll vapor rust it, leave this on, polish it on there, and maybe I'll paint it black. Like Rolling Stones. Is it Rolling Stones? Paint it black. There we go. So anyway, that's the Vise. Pretty cool, huh? Be cool if that wasn't busted. Somebody beat the hell out of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, do that thing of yours.